guys, welcome back to The Science Kid. Today we're going to be telling you how to properly wash your hands. Now this is part 2 of our PSA on how to stay happy and healthy in a pandemic. So if you haven't seen the part 1, make sure to click right here. Okay, so let's just tell you about how this experiment is going to go. So we have this thing called glow germ, magical thing here. So these are harmless germs that are bioluminescent, and these bioluminescent germs are pretty much harmless. And so we're gonna use them to show you what our hands would look like after going out and doing a normal day. But since it's a pandemic and you're not really doing too much, we're gonna use this stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to apply a small amount glow germ into my hand, because that's already a lot. Spread it all over, everywhere. And let's get to washing our hands. Okay, so as you just have seen, I have just washed my hands, but I have not done the drying yet. So let's see what my hand looks like now under a UV light after doing a good washing. You can see pretty much everything is gone. Okay, so now we are going to try drying our hands with the dirty towel. Now I know this towel is dirty because I got it from my brother's bathroom. So let's start drying our hands. Okay, pretty sure my hands are dry. Now let's see what my hands look like under the black light now. Look at that. Remember how before there was almost nothing? You see there's like specks on my hands now. There's little specks. But even little specks can be bad news. Like on my hand right here, on the back of my pinky. That is not good. Not good at all. Okay, now time for the second part. So once again, we are going to reapply the glow germ. Okay, so as you can see, we have washed our hands once again. So now we are going to try it with a hair dryer. Now this hair dryer is going to represent the air dryers at the public restrooms. So as most of us know, they put it on a hot temperature and they put it on pretty high. It's gonna get pretty loud. Okay, so just dried our hands. Now let's see what that looks like under a black light. Okay, looking at our hands again. Looks like we kind of got an even thing of glowing germs all over our hands. That's kind of gross. Like it looks like there's like a reminiscence of the glow germs still on our hands. Man, those air dryers ain't too great. Okay, now we are going to reapply some more glow germ. Okay, washed our hands for the third time now. Gonna get pretty clean afterwards. Okay, so now, as most of us know, when there is no towel, or there is no paper towel, or there's no air dryer at any public place or our own house, the one place that we dry off our hands is on our pants. Now, I've worn these pants probably about twice already, and so let's wipe them off on there. Yes, we have wiped our hands on our pants. Okay, so that's a pretty good dry. Now let's see what it looks like under the UV light. Okay. Oh, see, we got a little speck on our finger there. Yeah, some more specks on our hands there. Yeah, mostly on the fingers. Not much of the palm of your hand. Yeah, you probably won't get much of the palm of your hand when you're drying your hands on your pants there. Man, that isn't too great either. Okay, now time for the final test. Okay, now we have washed our hands for the 4th time. Okay, so now we are going to try it with a disposable paper towel. And you want to make sure when you're in pretty much any place and you're using a disposable towel, use the disposable towel to open the door. Okay, so let's see what this looks like under the backlight. Alright, let's see. I don't really see any specks on this side or on this side. This maybe, let's see. Don't really see anything. Looks like it doesn't have anything on it. In conclusion, the paper towels, they are the ones that absolutely work. The other ones, just get rid of them. No working. No. But these ones, yes, good stuff right there. Just make sure don't use a bunch of them because that is very wasteful. Now, I want to make sure you guys are staying happy and healthy, even in a pandemic. I also want to make sure you guys are liking and subscribing, even in a pandemic. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.